What is the name for the tiny holes in plants used for gaseous exchange with the atmosphere? Stomata are microscopic pores found on the epidermis of leaves and stems that facilitate gas exchange of carbon dioxide and oxygen. They are regulated by guard cells which open and close the pore based on environmental conditions and the plant's hydration status. Xylem is a vascular tissue responsible for the transport of water and minerals from roots to the rest of the plant. Phloem is the living tissue in vascular plants that transports organic nutrients, particularly sucrose, to parts of the plant where needed. Chloroplasts are organelles within plant cells where photosynthesis occurs, containing the green pigment chlorophyll. What is claimed about planting trees and global warming? Trees act as carbon sinks by absorbing carbon dioxide, a major greenhouse gas, from the atmosphere during photosynthesis. By reducing the concentration of CO2, reforestation helps mitigate the greenhouse effect and lower global temperatures. What is the role of chlorophyll in plants? Chlorophyll is a green pigment found in chloroplasts that captures light energy from the sun. This energy is then used to convert carbon dioxide and water into glucose during photosynthesis. Where do plants get their nutrients from? Soil acts as a reservoir for essential minerals like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium which plants absorb through their root systems. These nutrients are vital for physiological processes and are often replenished through the decomposition of organic matter. What are plants that grow in dry habitats called? Xerophytes are plants specifically adapted to survive in arid environments with limited water availability, such as deserts. They feature specialized adaptations like succulent stems for water storage and thick cuticles to reduce transpiration. How are the flowers of monocotyledonous plants typically described in terms of their parts? Monocotyledonous plants typically have flowers that are trimerous, meaning floral parts are in multiples of 3. Their perianth is often not clearly differentiated into a distinct green calyx and colored corolla, a condition referred to as being tepalous. A. Pentamerous is incorrect because floral parts in fives are characteristic of dicotyledonous plants. B. Tetramerous is incorrect because floral parts in fours are also typically found in dicots. D. Differentiated into calyx and corolla is incorrect because monocots usually possess a perianth where sepals and petals look similar. Which of these is a plant hormone? Auxin is a vital plant hormone produced in the stem tips that promotes cell elongation and regulates growth patterns like phototropism. It plays a key role in coordinating many growth and behavioral processes in plant life cycles. The kidney is a vital organ in the human excretory system responsible for filtering blood. The pancreas is a human organ that functions in both the digestive and endocrine systems by producing insulin. The liver is a large organ in humans that detoxifies chemicals and metabolizes drugs. How does atmospheric carbon dioxide enter into plants? Plants take in atmospheric carbon dioxide through small openings called stomata during the process of photosynthesis to produce glucose. This process converts light energy into chemical energy, releasing oxygen as a byproduct. Which fact surprised you the most? Comment below and subscribe to Goshen for more.